Good morning, my dear students. Today in science class, we will start new chapter 5. And the topic is adaptation in plants. In this chapter, today we will discuss and learn about the difficult terms meaning. The meaning of difficult terms like habitat, adaptation, terrestrial, aquatic, etc. And we will also discuss about the need for adaptation in plants to survive their habitat and the reason of adaptation on land. So let's understand the meaning of adaptation first. What is adaptation? The special features or the changes that allow plants to live and survive in a particular area are called adaptation. Of course, yes, the special features or the changes that allow plants to live and survive in a particular area, that is called adaptation. Adaptation in plants are according to the habitat. What is the meaning of habitat? The natural home of a plant. Protection and reproduction. Now reproduction means the process of producing baby plant. So I repeat this line. Adaptation in plants are according to the habitat, protection and reproduction. So on the basis of their habitat, plants are classified into terrestrial and aquatic. So what is the meaning of terrestrial plant? Terrestrial means plants that grow on land. They are called terrestrial plant. There are many different types of plants. And aquatic means plants grow in water. Terrestrial means land, aquatic means water. Now there are 7 types of terrestrial plant. And those are adapted according to their habitat. So these types of plants that grow on land, they are plants in plains, plants in mountains or hilly areas, plants in desert, plants in marshy area, plants in coastal area, plants in grasslands and plants in rainforest. Now let's discuss about the first point, plants in plains. So plants in plains. In plains, the climate is neither too cold nor too hot. Means in plains, the climates are moderate. Neither too cold nor too hot. And the plants that grow in this climate have lots of branches. Huge branches, and they have broad leaves also, big leaves also, and they are very big trees. So plants, because of so much of branches, plants shed their leaves in winter. The examples are mango, gulmohar and banyan trees are the example of such plants. Now you can have a look on the some few pictures like mango tree. You can see the big branches. Gulmohar tree, a huge tree, big branches, so much of branches, and banyan tree, lots of branches. Now, next plant that grow on land, terrestrial plant, that is plants in mountains and hilly areas. Yes, of course, you know hills are very cold. So the climate is generally cold in mountains or hills. There is snowfall in many areas because of cold climate. So the examples of plants grow in mountains or hilly areas are fir, pine, cedar are the example of trees that grow on mountains. And these trees are conical in shape. So because why they are conical in shape? The conical shape of the trees allows snow to slide off easily. Yes. So the adaptations seen in trees are tall, straight and cone shaped. They are very tall and they are straight. There is not so much of branches, just like the plants grow on plains. And their shape is conical because of the snow that falls during the winter season. They slide off easily. Now the second adaptation is, a few trees have needle-like leaves. Yes, their leaves are not like the big tree, broad and big leaves. So a few trees have needle-like leaves. You can see in the picture, and most leaves are evergreen. You can see the picture here, pine tree and fir tree. Their leaves are needle-like and they are conical in shape. This is the conical shape. Now, plants in desert. Desert areas are hot. Yes, you know it very well. They are sandy also, hot also. And so, the plants need to retain water and obtain water from deep inside the soil. Yes, because there is no rain or very less rain. So, the plants need to retain water and obtain water from deep inside the soil. Like cactus, date palm, prickly pear and opuntia are the plants grow in desert areas. And the adaptations seen in these plants are, number 1, most plants have spines instead of leaves. They have spines, needle-like. Spines, why they have spines? Because spines prevent loss of water. Because there is no water or very less water. So the spine prevent loss of water. Plants have green, fleshy stem that store water and have chlorophylls to make and store food. Yes, they have fleshy stem and they store water. That is why they have fleshy stem. When you break its cactus stem, you will see like jelly type sticky substance you can find in that because of the fleshy stem, and they store water and they have chlorophylls to make the food, chlorophylls to make and store food. And now the last adaptation point is, roots of plants are long and spread out because they need absorb water deep under the ground. So here is the example of cactus and opuntia. You can see the fleshy stem here. Here also you can see the fleshy stem, thick stem. And then you can see the spines on that prevent loss of water. Is that clear, students? So now here today's lesson is over. So please do your worksheet very neatly in good handwriting based on today's lesson you are taught. So bye students, have a good day and enjoy your studies. And go through this video, listen it very nicely, and then after you do your worksheet you are given today. Thank you students. Bye.